You may remember from a previous lecture when we do a Google search that Google serves us some advertisements and it also serves us some of these local results. The local results usually are served very near the top of the page, usually actually even before these other listings at the very top, along with a map showing where these places are located. So in this lecture we're going to talk about how to get your business to be able to show up in these Google Places and on the map areas of the search. So the way that you go about doing this is you have to register your business on Google Places, and essentially that's making sure that your business is set up and going to be put on the map properly, and you'll have actually another page on Google Plus for your business. Now the way this is done is you're going to go to a web page called Google Places, and we have a link to Google Places over in the side of the lecture. So I'm going to sign into my account, which is going to list our Coots Pest Control listing that we've been using as the example through the course. Once you get into Google Places, you may get into a place that lists your actual business, but more than likely you're going to come to a place that looks like this, where it's going to ask you, okay, you don't have any businesses in Google Places right now, so let's create one for you. Now, in fact, I'm getting a warning here on my Google Places dashboard that says that they're about to change the interface for Google Places for Business. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add a new business. So I'm going to click this link here to add another business, and what you're going to do is just start filling out the form. So in my case, this is a Canadian business. Yours might be in the United States or wherever it is. And so you just fill out the details. And what you'll do is you'll fill out, again, this whole form, which is your address. Now the way Google Places works is they need to verify that you are a real business. This is how they prevent spam from happening. So what they're going to do is they're going to have you fill out this information, which is mostly about the physical address of your site, a little bit about your operating hours and where it is that you perform your service. So you'll want to list kind of a radius around your business that you serve, and it will show you on the map exactly where it is that you are serving. So make sure that that is accurate. Fill in your hours of operations, what kind of payment you accept. Definitely add some photos from your business, perhaps of your storefront or you at work or whatever the case may be. If you have any YouTube videos, put that there as well. And anything else interesting that might be available, like free parking or such things. Once you're finished, what Google's going to do is it's going to take the information that you've put into the address information, and it's going to try to verify that you exist either by mail or by phone. So again, once you click submit here, they do have an automated system that can try to phone you. And what they'll do is they'll give you a PIN number, a 4 or 5 or 6 digit PIN number over the phone, and you'll need to just enter that into the system to verify that you actually received this call. However, I have found that the automated phone verification doesn't work that often, and more often than not I'm left with the other option, which is they have to mail you a PIN number. So they're going to actually put a postcard into the mail, and it can take 3 to 4 weeks. In my cases, since I'm in Canada, it takes up to 6 weeks, but luckily for most of you people in the United States, it will take only a couple of weeks. You'll receive this this postcard in the mail that has a PIN number on it, and when you're ready, all you do is come back to your Google Places, and the next time when you sign in, you'll see your listing here, but the status will be pending, and there'll be a little box here where you can submit your PIN number. So again, once that card comes in the mail, just sign back into your Google Places dashboard, enter the PIN number there, and click Verify. And then shortly thereafter, your listing will go live. And what that means again is that your listing will start showing up in these areas. And for example, when you click on one of these, it takes you to that place right on the map so that people can easily find you with an image, with a link to your website, and some great information here. And in fact, if you click on the hyperlink for creating a review, you'll see that there's actually a new Google local page that has been created for your business, which you can again customize. You can manage this page and make sure that it looks exactly like you'd like it to. Now, obviously, the more reviews that you get in your business, the better, because there's, again, social proof in other people that have had positive experiences with your business. So where possible, ask people that are previous clients of yours to go to your listing on Google Places and to write a review. Right? That only takes a few minutes and just requires a Google account that people can create. So again, Google Places, a great way to get free listings in the search results right near the top of the page. They're automatic, and they're going to automatically show up for people who are in your locale. So highly recommended to go ahead and do that.